If you've noticed strange search results and new tabs showing up in Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox, something called Safe Finder might have sneaked its way onto your computer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove Safe Finder manually, step by step, so your browser can get back to normal. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to clean it up for good. Let's jump right in by removing Safe Finder from your Windows or Mac system itself. Now, for Windows users, we're going to use a simple command. Press the Windows key and the R key together. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This shortcut takes you directly to your system's list of installed programs. Scroll through the list and look for anything that says Safe Finder, or really any program you don't recognize. Sometimes these come as Search Manager, System Updater, or Any Search. If you spot one of these, click on it and then hit Uninstall. Don't worry if you see more than one suspicious program. It's totally okay to remove all of them. Sometimes these junk apps come in pairs or bundles. If you're on a Mac, it's just as easy. Open your Finder, click on the Applications folder, and scroll through to see if you find Safe Finder or any other app that you don't remember installing. If so, just drag it right into your trash can. Remember to empty your trash afterward, which fully deletes these unwanted programs instead of just moving them out of sight. It may take a moment to comb through your apps, but be thorough. Malware sometimes disguises itself with generic names, so if you see something odd, better safe than sorry. Alright, with the main application gone, our next stop is cleaning up your browsers, and today I'll walk you through the process on Google Chrome. This is where Safe Finder often lingers as extensions or altered settings. Start off by opening Chrome and heading to the extensions page. You can get there quickly by typing Chrome/extensions into the address bar and hitting Enter. Take a close look at your list of extensions. If you see anything called Safe Finder, Search Manager, or just something that looks unfamiliar, go ahead and click Remove. Extensions are like little plugins. If you don't recognize one, or you didn't install it, it's best to get rid of it. Sometimes even legitimate-looking names can be hiding problem software. Now, sometimes Safe Finder tries to take over your search engine, so let's switch that back. Type Chrome/settings/search into your address bar. You'll see the default search engine info here. Make sure it's set to Google or another search engine you actually want. If Safe Finder has wedged itself in here, just switch it back. This is a key step, because the whole purpose of Safe Finder is often to hijack your searches and send you to unfamiliar or ad-filled pages. Take a quick look at your startup settings too. Go to Chrome/settings on startup. If you spot any website listed that you don't recognize or didn't set yourself, remove it from this page. Sometimes these unwanted programs try to automatically open their own sites every time you launch Chrome. Finally, even if you think you've gotten it all, it's a good idea to reset Chrome's settings to their defaults. This step is optional, but honestly, it's the best way to make sure you haven't missed anything hiding under the surface. You can do this by typing Chrome Settings Reset and choosing Restore Settings to their original defaults. Don't worry, this won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. It just clears out changes made by apps like Safe Finder. And that's it. You've done a thorough job cleaning Safe Finder off your computer and out of Chrome. Don't stress if this felt like a lot of little steps. Taking your time ensures your browser stays safe and fast. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions about any part of the process, just drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help further. Subscribe to the channel for more clear tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.